Hello everyone. I am Yashodhara Goswami, a student of Department of Applied Biology, currently pursuing the course of BSc Biotechnology second semester in the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. First of all, I hope you all are doing well in your lives, cause as we all know, this is a very threatening situation in our life. We all are a part of a huge worldwide pandemic named coronavirus. And this threatening case has come to our lives very suddenly in this year. And we all got suddenly home quarantine and has to face the lockdown situation. So, as this all things happen very suddenly to us, we all got frightened about our studies, about our career, and about our future. So, being a student of bachelor's, I also got frightened during this pandemic situation, and suddenly some thoughts come to our mind like, is this the end of our career? Is this the end of our future? What will happen next to our studies? But I am very glad and thankful to be a part of such a supportive university which has helped us a lot with our studies, and I am very much thankful to this respected Chancellor Sir, all the faculty members, staff members of our department for taking such initiatives for our studies. So today I am going to share some thoughts about how our teachers and faculty members have helped us with our studies during this pandemic situation. For our safety, we all got home quarantine and we could not go out of our houses and attend our regular classes. But the teachers and faculty members of our department has made us feel like this is a normal situation. They all have provided us with regular notes in image and PDF forms. They have taken our regular classes in some online meeting classes using some apps like Google Meet, Zoom Cloud Meeting, etc. Even the students which were left with the seminars, they have also given the seminars in online form, and they have also conducted some online examination through these apps, through these video lecture classes, and we all are satisfied with such initiatives taken by all the faculty members of our department. So we all had a fear of not completed with the syllabus of our this semester, but the teachers have already completed all the syllabus by taking such video lectures and online classes. So we all are feeling very good nowadays. We all are feeling like this is a normal situation. So thank you so much for giving us such support with our studies and career. I am very much thankful to all the faculty members of this institution. Lastly, I want to thank the respected Chancellor Sir and the faculty members for giving us such a huge support and being such a huge support system in our life. Thank you so much, and we all are hoping for our best.
Hello everyone, my name is Saubhami Kaul Devi. I am a student from the Department of Applied Biology, currently pursuing the course BSc Biotechnology second semester in University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Today I would like to share some of my thoughts on how our university have helped us with our studies during this situation. As we know, the lockdown started from March 18. We the students were in great dilemma as how we are going to cope up with our studies. The completion of syllabus became a big question mark for all of us. But thanks to the initiative taken by our respected Chancellor Sir, the faculty members and the staff members who brought a great relief to the students of USTM. Our respective faculty members connected with us through a number of online platforms such as Google Classroom, Zoom app, and many others. Our teachers provided us with PDF, notes, video lectures and assignments through this platform. Not only this, our teachers were so cooperative that we could reach to them at any time regarding our studies. In fact, our respected Chancellor Sir also provided an access to the National Digital Library so that we could access all the materials required for our studies. Our HOD ma'am and our respected Chancellor Sir kept consistently check on us so that we could receive our classes time to time. Lastly, I would like to thank our respected Chancellor Sir, staff members and the faculties for all the efforts they have taken for us during this pandemic situation. And I'm really proud to be a part of such a supportive institution. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Jayashree Kakoti, a student of Department of Applied Biology, currently pursuing the course of BSc Biotechnology second semester in University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. At this time of pandemic all over the globe, I would like to share my experiences and thoughts on how our university has helped us regarding our education so we could get the best of it. At starting, we have faced some sort of problems because we have not experienced uh, any such kind of situation before, starting from lockdown, being home quarantine, and not getting our usual classroom lectures. But yes, our honorable Chancellor Sir, the faculty members and the staff members have proved that education is not only restricted to classrooms. We are given online classes through various platforms like Google Classroom, Zoom app. We are given PDF materials, assignments after every lectures to ensure that we understood the lessons. Our professors are always ready to clear our doubts. We are very lucky to be a part of the USTM family and to get such cooperative and friendly faculty members. Lastly, I want to thank Honorable Chancellor Sir, all the faculty members of the department and the staff members for taking such initiatives.